Hello everyone, welcome to the course Architecting for High Availability on Azure by Pack Publishing. My name is Rajkumar Balakrishnan and I'm a software engineer and architect working for Royal Agri Firm Group. We are an agricultural cooperative based in the Netherlands and we work with farmers worldwide with the vision of building a responsible food chain. Now I'm part of the team that creates digital products and experiences for precision farming. I have reasonable expertise on the Microsoft Azure platform and I can't wait to share what I've learned as part of my journey with all of you through this program. In this video, we'll briefly discuss the course overview. This course is divided into 5 sections. In section 1, we will talk about cloud design patterns and high availability systems in general. In section 2, we will deal with Azure Compute Services. In section 3, we will talk about Azure Storage and Data Services. Section 4 is all about Azure Network Services. In section 5, we will talk about monitoring workloads using Azure Application Insights. So what do you need to get started with this program? You need an Azure account with credits. You also need a code editor like Visual Studio Code or an integrated development environment like Visual Studio 2017 or above. Programming knowledge of any high-level language will be very helpful. After this course, you can design business-critical, resilient applications. You can also make right architectural choices on Azure for high availability.